It's a brand new day, it's a brand new game, and I grow a garden, and I am back to buy a new egg. So as you can see, the stock of the egg is common summer egg only, guys. So we will buy this, and hopefully we can get a crabs there, guys. I mean crabs pala. And here it is, meron pa tayong kina-craft dito sa banda. At saka meron pa tayong anti-bee egg para mag-craft po tayo ng anti-pack bee for my improvement of my tawag niyan, my pack inventory. So as you can see, guys, ito pa lang yung ating garden. Wala pa siyang masyadong kalaman-laman, pero as you can see, I will be improving there. And lalagyan ko ng design dito banda tomato, so parang pa entrance. Tapos dito gagawin ko dito banda, lalagyan ko dito is i-arrange ko dito. Tapos dito naman banda is, meron tayong dito malapit. So, as you can see, and there is dito nga side, tomato talaga to dito banda, guys, dito sa kinatatayuan ko. So, andito yung mga pinagkasya-kasya lang ng mga tanim. Dito ko ilalagay yung mga tanim na iba. So, as you can see, meron tayong tomato dito. So, pero i-rearrange ko pag nagtanim ako. Pero dito mo lang natin itatanim sa dito banda. Mahina yung signal, guys. Medyo naglalag ako, but it's okay as long as we will be improving the garden. It's okay if I am lagging. I will still continue this game. And there it is, the stack of godly was on stack. So, I will be back, guys, and let's see if maano natin yung tomato dito, and let's see mamaya kung ano seed yung nasa seed pack. So here it is, guys. Let's see the seed shop pala, guys. Hold on, I'm lagging. Here it is, guys. There it is. Na-stuck siya bago 4 minutes and 7 seconds pa lang. So there it is. We have a brand new seed. Where is it? Like dito, guys. There it is, fully bought it here. Here it is. Here it is. The seed. So here it is, guys. I will be planting it here, on this side. Like, I'm trying to put a watering can. Where is the watering can? Here it is. So I will be back. Maybe I will be back later, and if it is fully grown, guys, so let's sprinkle it and hopefully this will be grown faster and faster. I'll be using a sprinkler method of this. So thank you for staying tuned with this, guys. So let's see, and 3, 2, 1, let's go. There it is, guys. I'm using the sprinkler method and watering can to make it fully grown. And let's wait for it, and I will be back again in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Guys, okay, guys, the moment of the truth. Here it is for decades, for the worst decade. I'm kidding. So here it is. It's fully grown, guys. The stud and tree of the Fuji seeds. Here it is, my only one and first Fuji tree. Here it is. As you can see, there it is. It's pretty nice, pretty good, and a pretty design for my farm. So I mean garden pala. So there it is, you guys. Nag-iisa pa lang siya yan, pero madadagan pa yan for the next time. So kung nakaabot ka pa man sa video na to, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and follow me in my account and add me. Don't forget to add me, and let's be friends there, here, and I will be giving you fruits or pets. And hopefully, guys, nakikita nyo tong malaking space na dito sa likuran ko. Nandoon yung malaking space na yun. Lalagyan ko to dito ng aking bahay. So, see you there. Thank you for watching. And I will be making, this one. So, I will be crafting this one. And see you guys. Thank you for watching talaga. Bye-bye.